Hey guys, welcome back everybody. I tell you what, I am exhausted. Man, I've been working on the boat all day, getting her ready for the spring fishing, and I tell you what, I put together a new toy today. We'll talk more about that later. So guys, welcome back. The other day, Mama told me she was in the mood for some chicken fajitas. So we're doing some chicken fajitas, guys, right here on the Weber kettle tonight. We'll talk more about that other thing later. But let's go inside, get some chicken prepped, and just see if we can get this thing fired up, guys. Let's go. Alright, just some quick kudos to my darling wife. I've been so busy, she was kind enough to cut up some bell peppers. I got some red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, and a half of a small white onion, just because I don't think anyone other than me and Mama will eat any of the onions, so we're going to go with that. Okay, our chicken, this is a couple, they're not real big chicken breast, but I think this is going to be plenty by the time I butterfly these out here and grill them up. I think it's going to be plenty to feed everyone here. So I'm just going to cut this here a little bit, and we're just going to butterfly these out just to make them a little bit thinner. They don't have to be perfect. That's all we're doing there, guys. A little bit thinner, make some nice little tender cuts for our fajitas. Look at there. Do the same thing to this one. Mud all the way through, kind of flare it and kind of butterfly it out. Guys, you know me, I keep it simple. This is some taco and fajita seasoning I got on hand. It's from Blackstone. Please don't tell my Cuisinart people that I got the Blackstone seasoning. They might kick me out of the club. We're just gonna season them right on up here. Smells good already. Alright guys, put these over, do the same thing. Once the grill comes up to temp, we're going to get this on there. Get this heated up. Hey guys, I'm going to come in here indirect temporarily. This fire's a little hotter than what I want, so I don't want these vegetables to burn right off the bat. So indirect, I'm gonna take these beautiful vegetables my old darling wife cut up. Look at that plate, guys. I'm gonna get them on in here. And I'm gonna let them start cooking like this for just a little bit. Alright, let this thing calm down a little bit. I'm gonna pull it over to direct heat just for a few. Let's get it grilled up here. I'm ready to put the chicken on here in a few minutes. Want to get this thing pretty well cooked up before I get to that point. Alright, we'll check back in a few minutes. Looking good though. Oh yeah, I like what I'm seeing here, guys. Some of the onions are a little too done. That's alright. Guys, I'm gonna pull these back indirect. Okay, and they're from Grillaholics. Love this thing, guys. I'm gonna come in here before we throw the chicken on. This is one of those that I like a little smoke, but not too much. So I got just a couple pieces of mesquite wood I'm gonna toss on here. We're gonna get some chicken on here. Check back in a few. Alright, let's check these vegetables. They're pretty much done. Keep them over there off the direct heat. Give these guys a flip. You look at there. It's beautiful chicken. Alright guys, we'll check back here in a bit. Alright guys, let's flip these. Because this is chicken, I want to get some temps here. Yeah, we're about there. Just another minute or two, that one's pretty much there. We'll pull these guys over here indirect while we get our tortillas. Let's get some tortillas heated up here. Let's not let it go through. Alright, these guys flipped over. I'm going to do this to the rest of these guys, and I will see you inside where we will build us a chicken fajita. Alright guys, trying to get this chicken. God, it smells amazing. I'm just going to start cutting this up into thin strips. Really need to sharpen my knife. Alright, we're going to get it done. Just over here. Yes, I'm using my hands. Just me and the family eating. We're okay. It'd be okay. Would you take a look at this spread? Alright guys, let's build us a little fajita. Try not to get too messy here. Alright, maybe we will. Come here, grab some of these peppers and onions. Grab some onions in here. I gotta come in with a little salsa. This is just some store-bought salsa. I don't even know which brand we picked up. Gonna be good though. And I love some sour cream. I got more meat than I do tortillas. Y'all look at that. Guys, got some little grill marks on that tortilla. This is delicious, guys. I'm telling you, I can feel it already. We're going in. Oh my goodness. That is the perfect ending to a very busy day. Tell you what guys, that is, it's actually very messy. I'm gonna get one more bite. That little, just a little hint of mesquite wood I put on there when I put the chicken on. I didn't do it before because I didn't want the veggies to get soak up so much smoke. I wanted that mostly for the chicken. Veggies did get a little bit, but that's okay. Wow, that is delicious, guys. That seasoning, that Blackstone, I'm not supposed to say that word, but that Blackstone taco and fajita seasoning is delicious. I will not tell you to shy away from that at all. So, guys, thank you. Yes, as you've seen, we got the new smoker. Long-awaited new smoker, and I will show you that probably in the next few videos. Stay tuned, guys. So, until next time, God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.